poppin', y'all? We just got back from watching the first screening of Moana at Puget Sound Adventist Academy, and today, like I promised, I am dropping a food review. My apologies to all of you for not being able to do a weekly food review. We have art and essays and all that, do, so I was really busy. But now, without further ado, we have the Shamrock Shake. This Shamrock Shake is easily one of the most anticipated seasonal McDonald's menu items, like ever, and I can see why. And this is like easily one of my first times trying this amazing meal. And I really like how it's a really nice tint of green. And if you see here, they even paid attention to sprinkling little green flakes on it. So now, without further ado, we are gonna try this. Get ready, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the first taste. Okay, all right.
Tell her.
It's really good. What I really like about it is like the minty taste, but it's not like overly minty where if you chew like a bunch of pieces of gum, it just like makes your mouth feel weird. This is like the most subtle minty thing I've ever tasted. And another thing that's this Shamrock Shake did right was presentation. Look at this. They don't mess up. It doesn't look sloppy. It looks nice. And the thing about a shake you need to remember is it needs to be consistent. It can't be too runny or too hard. If it's either one of those extremes, then you know you have... So the good thing about this is that it's very viscous or consistent. And that's the thing some shakes mess up, is that it's going to be very liquidy or runny, like almost like an actual normal drink. And I hate that, because I don't like it when people mess up shakes like that, since I take my shakes very seriously. So in terms of presentation, consistency, flavor, I'm gonna give this certain piece 7.5 out of 10, and here's why. It's good, but it's not like amazing. Like every time I see this on TV, it looks like an amazing Beyonce type drink, but when I drank it, it tasted like, an ugly Whoopi Goldberg type shake. And I don't like that, It's nasty. I just made him crack up, Anyway. And then when I bite into it, or when I suck it, it makes my mouth feel kind of greasy, and that's kind of gross. So that's like a lot from the actual score. So I have to give it a 7.5, which might actually be one of the worst ratings I've given a certain edible item yet. So thank you for watching, and if you're gonna buy the Shamrock Shake, just be wary. But I guess it also depends per franchise. Like I'm pretty sure the Kirkland McDonald's is gonna have a lot better standard than Snohomish, which closes at 11 every day. So thank you for watching. This has been Fine Dining with Professor Finesser saying good night.